Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna take a look at Cursor, Windsurf and Cline to see which one is best. So here I have a list with different features for each one of them. Now as you can see we have speed, so basically Cursor offers fast inline completion, can lag on big code bases. Windsurf, slightly slower suggestions due to cascade indexing, and Cline, fast but can be costly due to usage-based tokens. AI features for Cursor, as you can see, strong AI completions, composer and agent mode. Windsurf, deep code-based flows. Cline, open source, flexible on models and tokens. Ease of use, so basically we have Cursor, familiar VS Code feel, huge plugin ecosystem. Windsurf, sleek, AI first UI, steeper learning curve. And Cline runs inside VS Code, free tier, and less automation. Now here we have the pricing for each one of them. So we have Cursor, $20 per month, fixed cost, free hobby tier, Windsurf free tier plus $50 per month, usage limits, and then we have Cline, which is pay per token. Now, best use case for each one of them. So we have Cursor, dev seeking polished AI and IDE experience. Windsurf, streams projects needing deep multi-file AI workflows. And then we have Cline, users wanting model choice, token control, and open source tools. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.